we decided to raise fund, and we realized about 392,000 Kenya shillings. Then instead of giving out the cash, we thought a lot. And after deliberating, we settled on giving out the food stuff. So we bought food stuff in terms of maize flour, wheat flour, beans, rice, cooking oil, soaps. So we settled on an average of 520 families across the entire Kiambu county. 6 counties were given about, we selected 40 families from Gatundu South, Thika, Juja, Ruiru, Kiambu, and Kikuyu. The other sub-counties, we settled on 30 families each. That is Lari, Limuru, Kiamba, Kabete, Githunguri, and the Gatundu North. So in total, we identified about 520 families which are vulnerable, and we decided now to count our arithmetic, and we decided to give every family 300 packets of maize flour, that's 6 kg, 1 kg of maize flour, 1 kg of wheat flour, 1 kg of beans, 1 kg of rice, 1 liter of cooking oil, and a bar soap.
With the most vulnerable. There are many people who are vulnerable, but you get some cases very vulnerable. You just bump into a village and start distributing food, you will have challenges because everybody will come and you may not have enough. But we have gone to most of the sub-counties, giving a number of hampers depending with the vulnerability of each and every ward in a sub-county. And I'll take this opportunity to flag off this food. May it go and dish our people and bless their lives. God bless all of you.